Hello, my baby. Hello, my sweetie. 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 Yeah, we are going to,
What's up?
What's up? We are going to buy our food items. We bought a lot of things. You can see a lot really. So now I have to systemize everything. I bought orange for my juice. Okay, I bought a lot of things, guys. Oh, let me keep it there here before I systemize it. This is for moi moi. I want to cook moi moi this period. I bought a lot for moi moi. Okay, this container. I bought flour for meat pie. I know that this video is going to be long, but we are going to do it step by step. I bought my body cream, okay? I don't have a special body cream. I do use a Vaseline, then use anything that I see, okay? I just bought this one from the supermarket, so I hope that it's gonna be nice. Then I bought butter for my meat pie. I'm going to keep all these ones in the fridge. I bought a lot of butter. Yeah, I'm coming. Let me put it. I bought what are they calling it? Cotofioc in Italy. This one that we used to clean ear after having your shower. Me with Obi went for shopping. So buy food hand cream. This one is for hand cream. Okay, one socket has gone down. I'll see them later. I bought, this is one of the that is a form of biscuits that I like. I bought it. I'm not going to be talking anymore. I bought oil, yeah, oil for my cream. It's made with this nuts. We call it mandole. Yeah. So I bought the oil for the cream. Then other orange for my juice, because I love fresh juice. Then butter, the ones. Then I bought what are they calling it? Baking powder that I'm going to be using this period. This is Obi's sweet. Obi, this is your sweet. Yeah, your sweet is here.
Hear me now.
I'm coming now.
Stingy wife.
Stingy husband, Abi. Okay. Then we bought this is kitchen paper. We bought two. Okay. Two packets has gone. We bought tissue paper in the bedroom. We bought a lot. Then we bought this is detergent to wash plates. Okay, Obi bought two. I bought plantain. I went to Africa store to buy plantain, so I just need to eat plantain. A lot of okra, because my okra is finished. I bought a lot of packets of okra from Africa store, fresh okra, inside the freezer. I buy some plantain cheese. I bought some plantain cheese. I bought some red oil, okay, to cook my Africa food. I bought starch. This is fresh. They brought it fresh for me because of me. There are other two things that we have to unbox. Carefully, we have to unbox it. Unbox it. Now, let's go and systemize all these things together. Come with me, guys.